It's George again over at eimports4Less, here this morning filming a short video on a vehicle that was just traded into us yesterday. What we've got here is a 2018, it's a Volvo XC60, it's a T5 R design all-wheel drive, only 16,000 miles on this one. You can see it's their nice bright blue color. Let's take a quick walk around, tell you a little bit about this one. Of course, you can see the R design body kit on there. It's pretty prominent, really good looking SUV here. It's got the body kit, the wheels. See the different trim on the bottom of the side skirts there. Really excellent condition overall. Traded in here by a local customer. Again, very low miles, so still factory warranty and all of that stuff. So equipment is nice. You can see the panoramic moonroof up there, which we'll take a look at from the inside here in a second. Overall condition is excellent, nothing to talk about there. Interior, you've got the R design sport seats, which are really nice. We'll take a look at those. See the aluminum roof rails up there. Really nice overall condition here. You can see in great color combo. So let's take a look at the interior, tell you about that. Now, exact options, window sticker information, all of that you'll find on our website at eimports.com. It does have nav. You can see those nice R design sport seats. Half suede, half leather. Really nice. They do a good job with that silver piping on those. Let's take a look at the back seat. Also excellent condition. Nothing to talk about condition wise. See that moonroof, basically the full size of the roof of the car almost. So again, 2018, 16,000 miles on it, one owner, local trade-in. You can see all the details on our website at eimports.com. If you want to buy this one before somebody beats you to it, give us a call here at the dealership at 215-249-9100. Thanks for checking it out.